Come on, we will start with the practice paper first for chapter number 1 and 2. Which of the following is a unit of which is not the unit of the British system of the unit? We know British follows which system? Foot, pound and second. So which is an you can say which option is correct? Foot, pound and second is applicable for British system. So which is not applicable? So meter is the required answer. Second, Pascal is a standard unit of pressure. We know again pressure and the stress, they have the same unit and dimension. So which option is correct? Stress. Come to the next, which is a fourth state of matter. There are 5 state of matter: solid, liquid, gases, plasma, and the fifth one is Bose-Einstein. Fine. Bose-Einstein condensate. We require to answer for the fourth state of matter, that is the plasma, which comprises of the ionized gas. Now next is, what is the common difference between bar and torr? The bar and the torr are the unit of pressure. Even Hg, fine, mm of Hg is coulomb, that is also the unit of pressure. And 1 bar is 760 mm of Hg and 1 torr is 1 mm of Hg. So if you equate this to, or you can relate both, the 1 bar is equal to 760 torr. Fine. Question is 1 bar is how many torr? So we can answer it 760 torr. Now 1 light year is 9.46. Question is 1 light year is equal to dash gigameter. So answer is 9.46 into 10 raised to 6. Fine. How you get the solution? Just see. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. And what is 1 gigameter? 10 raised to 9 meter. So what we did, 1 light year is equal to 9.46. This 15 is divided into 2 parts. That is, or you can say, I can split this 10 raised to 15. That would be equal to 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to 9. Power and indices rule. So this comes out to be what? Now I can write this as gigameter. Fine. So I will replace 10 raised to 9 meter as 1 gigameter. So ultimately answer comes out to be 1 light year is equal to, in place of this I will write gigameter. So you will get the required answer. Now which are the 2 approaches to study the physics? One is unification and reductionism. Since this is a theoretical question, you might understand. What is the range of the weak nuclear force? So weak nuclear force, it is a short range force and it is 10 raised to minus 16 meter. Which is the weakest force of all? We know that there are 4 fundamental forces. The weakest force is the gravitational force. So required answer is gravitational force. 1 meter is dash Fermi. Fine. Now we know that 1 Fermi is equal to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Fermi is a unit which is used in nuclear physics. 1 Fermi is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So 1 meter is how many Fermi? So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to minus 15 meter. So we can write this in the numerator as 10 raised to 15 meter. Come to the next question now. Now the next question is 2 resistances, which is R1 is equal to, given to us, that is 400 plus, it is 100 plus or minus 3 ohm, and R2 is 200 plus or minus 4 ohm, are connected in series. What is the equivalent resistance? Now you know that when the 2 resistances are connected in series, the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2. Fine. So that comes out to be 300. Fine. This is the true value. So 100 plus 200 comes out to be 300. And that error in the addition we always find like this from the propagation of an error. Delta R is equal to delta R1 plus delta R2. This is delta R1, this is delta R2. So this becomes 3 plus 4 comes out to be 7. So how you write ultimately answer? R plus or minus delta R. So this comes out to be 300 plus 7. So which option is correct? 300 plus or minus 7. Now the next is, the mass and the volume of the body are 4.237 gram and 2.5 centimeter cube. Then what is the density of the material of the body in the correct significant figure? Now you know that density is mass upon volume. So mass is 4.237 gram upon 2.5 centimeter cube. So this value comes out to be 1.6948. Now you know the rules from the significant figure, that the rounding off. Fine. For the division, what is the division rule? We have to write the answer in the minimum significant figures. Fine. Using the original. See, original one has, from the original data, volume has only 2 significant figures. So the required answer should be rounded off in How many significant figure? 2. So ultimately the answer comes out to be, fine. So you have to round off in such a way that you will get 2 significant figures. So it is 1.7. Now name the devices which is used to measure the mass of atoms and molecules. Fine. So answer is spectrometer. Either you write spectrometer or you can say spectrograph. It is used to measure the mass of an atom or molecule. Now if we use a physical balance to measure the mass of an object and find the mean value of our observation to be 156.28 gram, representation of the result correctly will be dash. Now you know that the physical balance is a, that is a device which is used to measure the mass, fine, whose least count is 0.1, fine. So you can say that the least count is 0.1, so you can say the answer is 156. If I round off this, so 156.3 I can write, okay. And what is the least count? Least count is 0.1 gram. So which option is correct? 0.1. Fine. Now the side of the rectangle R, next is the side of the rectangle R means the length is given to us this, fine, that is 10.5 plus or minus 0.2 centimeter, and breadth is also given to us, fine, that is equal to 5.2 plus or minus 1, fine. This breadth is also given to us, that we have to find out the perimeter with the error limits, fine. Now you know that what is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B, fine. So L is given to us. What is the true value of L? 10.5. True value of breadth? 5.2. Fine. So with the help of this, we get the true value of the perimeter of the rectangle as 31.4 centimeter. Now we need to find out delta P. So from this, by using the law of propagation of errors, delta P is equal to 2 delta L plus delta B. We have given delta L also, delta B also. Just substitute, you will get 0.6. So perimeter comes out to be, that is plus P plus or minus delta P, that is 31.4 plus or minus 0.6. So required answer is this. I hope you understand. Please, if you like it, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.